8 in the morning with 100 watts coming in and 1,000 watts going out in AC from the Bluetti AC200 Max to the Instant Pot. See, this takes 1,000 watts when it's heating up. Right now it's coming up to pressure, so it's still using 1,000. The pin is down, so it's on, and it's using 1,009. But that's including the fan here. The fan is using a little bit, about 30 watts. So the Instant Pot is under 1,000 watts, just about 980 on average when it's heating up. I've got the DC fast charger power delivery on. That's charging the phone. There's the Bluetti app. Hey, let's plug in a kettle and see what happens. Let's test the capability for the 2,200 watt inverter. So we'll plug the kettle in here. It's a 1,000 watt travel kettle, and we'll turn it on. Fan comes on the Bluetti, and we're up to 1,965 watts. 2 kilowatts basically. The app says 2 kilowatts. The touchscreen calls it 1960. And the sun has come out a bit more. We're up to 100 watts coming in. It's a cloudy day, and I've got the phone charger going. I've got the kettle on, and I've got the Instant Pot on. Not bad. So the 2,000 watts is no problem. I think it's rated for 2,200 with a surge of 4,000 watts. So once again, the Bluetti AC200 Max is a really good job for camping. I've got a fan, a Instant Pot, and a kettle, and charging a phone, and I could run the other things here. I could put the 12-volt lights on. I could put the tire pump on through the cigarette lighter port. All kinds of possibilities with the Bluetti AC200 Max.